and it is not possible for every event or every thought to be set down, full stop, new paragraph. All writers have to face this question of what to use and what to leave out, full stop. The writer of the book with a story uses those events or thoughts which help on the telling of his story, full stop. The wish of the writer of the new form of book is to give a complete picture of the minds of the people he is telling us about, full stop. So he makes his book, comma, or each part of his book, comma, cover only a short time, comma, and gives a complete picture of what is happening in the minds of the people during that time, full stop. This new form is not always pleasing to readers used only to the old form, comma, as there are no clear steps in the story told, comma, and there is nothing final at the end of the book, full stop. But while a reader may find pleasure in reading a book which shows for the 100th time that 2 and 2 make 4, comma, it is doubtful if he reads through 3 or 400 pages for that purpose, full stop. Without doubt, he finds pleasure in the book line by line and page by page, full stop. The story is not a really necessary part of his pleasure in reading, comma, and it is probably that with the development of the new form, the general reader may come to like it more, full stop.